Welcome! Today I am with Sony headphones and I will show you how you can connect them to your iPhone. So at the first we have to simply go for the settings on our iPhone. For sure we have to be connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. We have to enable location and also we have to turn on location. As you can see, so if you enable everything, you have to go for the App Store, click on the search pool, and you have to find Sony Headphones Connect application. So to get it, just tap here. Now just be patient and wait. Okay, right now we can open this application and let's click and hold power button for a few seconds on our headphones until this indicator blinks, and when you get the prompt notification that they are just turned on. Right now we have to accept this permission, click OK, then simply choose your country, click done, select the switcher, click start, tap next, agree, click allow, then go for next. And right now they are detecting the nearby headphones, so we have to simply wait. Okay, and there we get the notification that the application couldn't find it, so we can tap to register our wired headphones from the list. Okay, so unfortunately there's no our headphones on the list, so let's go back and let's try to click next. Okay, still doesn't detect. Let's click to register for the Bluetooth settings. Let's make the instruction that we have to click power button for like 7 seconds, and when the LED of the headphone blinks alternately in the blue and red or blinks rapidly, we have to press next here. So let's make it for 7 seconds. Okay, as you can hear, right now we get the Bluetooth pairing enabled, so let's click next, tap next again, and as you can see right now they appear on the list, so simply tap on them. Okay, let's click the App Store. As you can see right now we have this application installed, so never mind, just click open. Let's see what is going to be next. Let's click close, click OK, there we get the register our headphones, and click to proceed without registering, click next. I'm going to set up it later, next, the same for the 360. Let's go to the dashboard, and as you can see right now we are connected. So there wasn't that easy, we struggle a little bit, but finally we are connected. So just one important thing, don't give up. Follow every step that I made in this video, and I hope that everything will be fine. So that's all, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.